दी एक्सीडेंटल प्राइम मिनिस्टर उत्ते सियासत गरमाई। अनुपम खेर दी मंग राहुल अपने वर्करां नूं झाड़न। फिल्म दा एक्सीडेंटल प्राइम मिनिस्टर दा ट्रेलर लॉन्च होने तो बाद विवाद गहराउंदा जा रहा है। कांग्रेस इस नूं भाजपा दा एजेंडा करार दे रही है। महाराष्ट्र यूथ कांग्रेस ने फिल्म रिलीज तो पहला स्पैशल स्क्रीनिंग की मंग की है। फिल्म के मुख्य अदाकार अनुपम खेर ने कांग्रेस प्रधान राहुल गांधी नूं मंग की है कि फिल्म का विरोध करन उत्ते ओह अपने वर्करां नूं डांटण।
Unfortunately, in our country, protest gets more notice than the brilliance of the film or the performance. I have given my best to this performance. I will say that in all the 515 or 16 films that I have done, this is the most difficult role that I have done. I have put my life into it, and so these protests, I am amused. At the same time, I get upset about it also. I recently read a tweet by the Congress President, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, कि freedom of expression होना चाहिए. It's very important. He holds that very important, and he gave examples of his ancestors also, and his forefathers also. So I think he should scold them, and he should tell them that don't do that. He should tell them that it's a film about written by the media advisor of the Prime Minister who worked with him. Nobody forced Sanjay Baru to or nobody planted Sanjay Baru to be in the PMO. So he wrote a book. The book is in the domain for the last 4 years. Nobody has objected to it. Nobody has said anything about it. People have moved on or ignored it. Now, I will say that they are giving publicity to the film. They should not do that.
जदकि इस तो पहला अनुपम खेर ने दर्शकों नाल अपने फिल्म के तजर्बे साझे करते हुए कहा कि डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह की आवाज़ की नकल करना बेहद कठिन काम सी।
My first reaction for 1 or 2 months was that I don't want to be part of it. But then I was watching TV and I saw Dr. Manmohan Singh walking from one place to another place. And in my mind, the actor in me sort of said that, let me see if I can walk like him. I was a disaster. In my sitting room, in my house, I was a disaster. And that challenged me. In fact, it was as simple as that. And I rehearsed for about half an hour, 45 minutes. I could not get it right. So then I called them. I said, let me read the script. And I was very fascinated by the script.
After you couldn't get the walk right, you said?
No, I did not get it right. Because then I said, now it is challenging me as an actor. And everything is very difficult about Dr. Manmohan Singh. Everything. It's discoordinated, very monotonous voice, and yet there has to be variations. And then I said yes to them, and I said we will need time. And I took about 6 to 7 months to prepare this role. I must have seen at least 100 hours of footage. But the most difficult thing was the voice part of it, because it's a typical particular voice. But then I said that काम difficult ना हो तो उसको करने का क्या फायदा? And after all those work, and etc., we were very also lucky that we did the first schedule in England of 40 days. We were in a secluded place. There was nobody else. We put the room outside my room. It was written Prime Minister because I wanted to be. I behaved like Dr. Manmohan Singh. Everybody I used to get ready. It used to take me 1.5 hours. And it is not one of the most difficult. It is the most difficult role I have done in my life.
Wow.
Because Dr. Manmohan Singh is known by everybody. We see him everybody. Even till today, he is so active. He is always there. He is more vocal now than he was in 2014.